Remember the story when me said me over Macka Diamond? Me are going now, Nikki, me ready. Who remember the story said me over Macka Diamond? Remember me tell that? See, I don't know what I say. If you show you how me is a man with conscientiously good. When the story when me tell you so with the spice thing and me over Macka Diamond and anything, you don't know what I say. When me over Macka Diamond, I'm taking spice and then something there. Macka Diamond call me, you know. And Macka Diamond said, one of the artists here go over, man. Macka Diamond got artist, Macka Diamond and Spy. Macka Diamond and Jody call me. They are the only two artists confront me. Because them go other places that I stay, I'm there, the over, man, and then confront me. Macka Diamond come to me and Macka Diamond say, me never come to you, come to ask you nothing because you see me know get in no trouble. I know your friend. I know say you're not good. I know come because the problem no problem. So I know the problem too good. I know say me Macka. I know the problem but yeah. Me tell the arty. Me know but me not trust people. I say me afraid, you know. Me afraid. Me not lie. But me tell you this. Me hear say you're good. I know everything. I know what cause the problem. But if you can help me look, I know. Me say Macka just humble yourself. You know. Me help Macka. I me help Macka. Me tell Macka say me I put spice in a blue. Me put her in a red. I say Macka wear pure red when she there Canada. I say spice in the blue, yeah, the red. And when me help Macka, then I see Macka come in one big worthless ballad, man. I say Macka no. Macka, no, me not like him, me make no sense. I say Macka left me, man. Macka say, no, me want him now, but you see, as long time I know him, and you know, how good you, I say, Macka left the whole list, man no good. It's when he man here said me and Spice a war. When he hear me say, dirty Spice, this don't, and a class Spice. Here the man come out 2 weeks after. Macka, take me to know you want Spice. And every time the woman come, you want spice. And now you're under your fake page, you have spice. You think me that she say you're born candle for spice. This and that and this and that. Remember? Macka call me, Macka, so tell me, you should not tell me, I'm never listen to you, know, I'm not telling you, say, you don't tell me, say, you know, I'm never listen to you, IT, this boy come, I'm never coming all right, you see, but you don't want a problem, I'm know you're aggressive good, I know if you like me, I cause the problem. What is Macka problem? I like Macka, but Macka problem is she too concerned about Gracie. She too concerned about you and Gracie good, I'm no problem, no. But me tell you so, Macka not really yet Gracie, you know, Macka not no problem with Gracie, you know, Macka afraid of Gracie, I'm afraid of, Macka is a nice person even though she's a hypocrite. But the problem is, Macka just no say she the let me replace something again. Cause someone no people never remember still know why I call Macka name, you know. I ever call Macka, you know, because this is the more know. Shen say I never ban it, you know. Macka did have it, you know. And if you're a real dancehall person, you know about dancehall, and Macka did have it. Remember when Macka have it, I'm gonna show you something to you. See a lady sir. Ladies are not like a bone in a spice. I'm always telling you say me and ladies are spice. It is a me, ladies are spice. And until today, the spice dead and come back and dead and not deal with ladies. Not deal with ladies. God take me. No, sir. No, boss. Nothing to do with the sir and the boss. Choo. Oh God, I hope you watch a live tomorrow on YouTube. Me not say no women of the talk about because they look of compare by them. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, it's my complimentary. Watch how me I drink the complimentary wine like me buy it. Yes, I get it in the hotel. It's a compliment. I can't pronounce the word the way the liquor make my tongue heavy. Anyways, you know, Woo! All right. Where should we go now? So maybe feel like talk. All right. So what we did now? So me tell you some music. All right. So let me name out some celebrity. Come right down there. Let me tell you some celebrity who used to work up there for. When I say Obi, I don't mean bad Obi. I mean good. You ready, Nikki? You know what my name no more?
No, we want to catch you later.
Oh, you want? Go down, you want for the road? Let me just name out. How much me can name out? Give me permission to name out 3. You name one for me, wifey. Eh? Name one I celebrated that for my work, man. Eh? Wife is saying nine and me mix up. So, I'm going to start the show here because I want to put me in a blood clot probably. Away from a dirty mouth, away from a slack behavior, away from a fucked up behavior. Question, do you believe that I gifted and me can read? No be a hypocrite though, talk out of your good finger, your good mouth. Honestly, put RT and in fuckery as do you believe gifted they both? Me ask. Me ask them. Me see some people on TikTok the other day. Even now, one Batman, everybody a Batman for me. Can they say me a Batman too? But you can know a real Batman. Yeah, some man look like Batman, go on like Batman, but they are not. While some don't act like Batman and they are. And you are some, him a just Batman full out and him not hide it. No, me not a problem with the Batman file. But listen now. I see a reader man on TikTok. Claim saying can read. Every time I scroll and yam him and yam. Every scroll, me I say my mind say I can't wait for that woman man fuck with me so me can send one up, you go throw an obstacle in my food and buy his name. Listen to me, fear a reader man you're not supposed to name so. Fear a reader man you're supposed to name so. The man name more than him read. These are, you have some, no, me not fight against anything, but you have some reader man from Jamaica now, we say they can't read. Una make it look bad for me. Una look bad for me. Una need for come to my school, let me teach you how to read. It's $600 a month to teach people how to understand spirituality. You never know me have a class, yes, in a Zoom. People pay $600 to know how to draw people energy, or to burn candle, or to do that. So the bottom line is, them not make sense. I'm not drop my word for nobody, but what I want to understand, say, them not make sense. Them not make sense. Someone who I go up on the man them live, and the man I tell you, say, him say, like, people, you have to understand basic reading. Basic reading are what me and you know. Let me ask you a question. The 1.2 people they write here, so you can look on somebody and judge and assume, say, that person that idiot, that person, there's something about that person. You don't enough time when you look on people. I don't assume or judge, even though the Bible says enough to do it, but when you judge and assume, you find out, say you're right. That means you have an intuitive energy. You can see things. Let me say something before me go. I am not the only person who can read, Every single man in this life can read, How, hearty, and why. King Solomon did say, only if God remove the veil from our eye. There's a veil over our eye like a curtain. So the things them we have to see and aware of, you don't know. But you have some people veil or lift or turn or sideways can't see. Not so you can't read. I don't want nobody on this life feel like you are not a spiritual person, you can't read. It's just that you're maybe don't born in the spiritual upgrowing to aware and understand the meaning and how spirituality is. But one thing everybody know, you know that you have a spiritual energy in you. Every single people they right here so can say, well, me know what a man like you are right here, me can't read like you, but me know I have something. And I can agree to you. So you have to have that spiritual energy in you because you are human being and you work with energy. So therefore, all of we are psychic, but it's just that it's not all of we can directly see in somebody's life. We don't have that fully gift. But if you choose to want it, you can. Mind you, let me repeat it. If you choose to discern and desire to see, you can. Let me repeat it. The reason why you can, because you were born as an inconcept to deal with spirituality. Watch this, why you can. God is a spirit, and they that worship him must worship him in spirit and in truth, so that you are obligated and have the right to enter spirituality under one law. God is a spirit, and they that worship him must worship him in spirit and in truth. When you guys see me hear a cuss bad word and a class and a say God, it question you to wonder why you are said this and why you are said God. You have to understand, yeah, the body is a temple. The way the pastor them a tell you to live your life and don't fuck this and don't fuck that and don't deal with this and don't deal with that and don't do this and don't that. You see Trump and do that, Trump fuck everybody. You know, sometimes this is what I want to say something to you. When I look at these prime ministers and I look at these leaders that know more than me, that's very educated and know more than me, and none of them fucker they never come say they hear from God yet. None of them never said the angel Miriam. Or none of them never said Raphael. I never hear the army say him say Saint Michael pan the ass and heaven open up and they video him. I never hear the president them say them get a vision from God. I never hear none of them. Matter of fact, I never hear them a president and prime minister acknowledge God. You people are so fucking dunce. I'm blind. You are so dunce and blind. Because if the government not talk about God and not talk about what God that do, Russia want nuclear on a dirty blood clot and he not say God tell him not do. People, open my eye. I go left for now. I have to end the show now because I have nothing else. I run out of conversation. I have nothing to talk about. Before I go anyway, is Pretty Dan drop nothing? May I ask you now? Go do a follow-up. 5 people go do a research. Look on our Instagram, look if Pretty Dan drop nothing for me and make me know. Just go do a research and make me know. Like, I don't know what I'm doing, I work up food now. And that's why I can't have to come work no free work. Nobody when people busy and pay their money. That's why I'm not coming live. I feel like you don't love me. If you don't want me to come live, when you want me to come live, when we come live, when you encourage me to come back. Make sure you come back. Big me up. That me come back. I feel like you don't love me. Because I say when you say me I work too much, I don't want to catch you now.